Hey everyone, tonight we're going to make the mac and cheese with veggies. I'm excited to say that I've got zucchini from my garden from the summer that I'll be using in this recipe, and we have some carrots from a local farmer here just outside of Red Deer. Red Deer actually has just recently opened their indoor market, and it is sourced with nothing but local produce and food, and it's really a beautiful place. Okay, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is we need to get our noodles boiling. So we need 1.5 cups of noodles. I prefer egg noodles, so that's what I'm going with tonight. We'll get the water going and we'll throw those noodles in while we prep our vegetables. Okay, so here we've got our onion, we've got our carrots, we need half of our bell pepper, and we've got our zucchini. It does call for shredded, but I like my zucchini a little bit chunkier, so that's what I'm going to go with today. Okay, vegetables are ready. Here we go. Next part. Okay, so it says we need to saute our onion and garlic for about a minute, and then we add our carrots and pepper and zucchini, and we're going to cook these for about 5 minutes or until softened. I do like my carrots on the crunchier side, so I always just make sure it's my onions are nice and translucent, and then I go from there. Okay, so while our vegetables and noodles are cooking, I'm just going to get our cheese ready to go. So we need about 1 cup of shredded cheese. Now, some recipes call for you to make the cheese sauce separately. This one asks you to do it in the same pan as the vegetables. So whatever you feel most comfortable with is what I would suggest. Alright, so we have drained our noodles, and we are about to add the flour, the milk, and our seasonings into our sauteing vegetables. Okay, flour's in. We're just going to give this a mix. Alright, so now that our flour's all in, we're going to slowly add the milk and let it just cook in nicely, and then we'll add our spices. And we just repeat this process. So I've got all the milk in, and we are supposed to let it cook for about 5 minutes before we add our spices and our cheese. So we're just going to let this simmer. I have the stove still at around medium temperature, but once it gets boiling some more, I'm going to turn it down. So our 5 minutes is up, so we're going to add our cheese in. We're going to give this a good mix, and we're going to add our pepper and our mustard and let it cook for a minute, and then we're going to throw in our noodles. Last but not least, we'll add in our noodles and we'll give it a good mix. Awesome! Dinner is ready! Well guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video tonight. I'm pretty excited about my supper. Until next time, take care.